Hey amazing people, welcome back to Peace Travels and Jobs. I want to start today with a question that could change the way you look at your future. If someone walked up to you right now and said, pack your bags, I've found you a real job abroad that comes with a visa, a stable salary, and a fresh start, would you be ready to go? For most of you, the answer is yes, absolutely yes. But here's the truth. Opportunities like this don't just fall onto our laps. You and I both know that if you really want a job abroad with visa sponsorship, you have to know how to look, where to look, and how to present yourself so that employers actually take you seriously. And that, my friends, is exactly what today's video is all about. If you've ever sat on Google typing visa sponsorship jobs and felt overwhelmed by the number of scammy websites and fake promises out there, don't worry, you are not alone. By the end of this video, you walk away with a step-by-step roadmap that will save you months of wasted time. In today's video, I'm going to show you where to find real jobs with visa sponsorship across multiple industries, the official government-sponsored list that most people don't even know exists, the best job portals you can start applying to today, how to avoid scams and protect your money, and how to position your CV, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile so that employers can't ignore you. So do me a favor, pause right now and answer this question in the comments. Which country is on your heart? Where would you love to live and work if the opportunity comes knocking? Share it because you never know. Someone else in the comment might be in that country already and drop tips that could help you. Now let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back once again to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Peace, and on this channel, I share everything relocation that will help you live, study, and work abroad. So feel free to subscribe to this channel if you have not already done so. Like this video so that YouTube can promote this video to a wider audience. Drop a thought in the comment section. I respond to all of them. And share this video because you don't know who might need this video. And to my returning subscribers, you know how we do it here. Verified info, legit links, okay? Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. And if you have ever wanted to tell me thank you, you can make use of the super chat or super thanks in this video, okay? Without further ado, first thing first, what exactly is visa sponsorship? Visa sponsorship means an employer in another country is not only willing to hire you, but is also legally backing your work visa application. In many cases, governments only allowed approved employers to bring in international workers. That means you can apply to 100 jobs, but if the employer doesn't have that sponsorship license, your application goes nowhere. So the golden rule is this: don't just look for jobs. Look for jobs from companies that are legally allowed to sponsor. Now, where do you find them? Let's start with the most trusted source, government-sponsored list. In the UK, the Home Office publishes a regularly updated list of all licensed sponsors. These are companies with the legal right to hire international workers. The link is public, free. I will leave it for you in the description and pinned comment, okay? I've already done a video concerning that for the UK people, okay? I'll drop in the link in my description, okay? In Canada, the official job bank has a filter for employers who are part of the temporary foreign worker program. That means you can literally tick a box and only see jobs where the employer is open to hiring foreign applicants. Ireland also publishes a critical skills occupation list showing which jobs are in shortage and eligible for sponsorship. Australia does the same with its skill occupation list, and employers there must be registered as approved sponsors before they can hire you. So already you can see the key is not wasting time on random offers. Start with employers who are actually authorized. Now, let's move on to the second layer, job portals. If you've ever wondered where international workers really find jobs, this is it. Let me break down a few of the best. LinkedIn jobs. Type your profession and add visa sponsorship in the search bar. You'll be surprised how many live postings appears. And here's a tip. Use filters like open to international applicants or relocation offered. Can also check Indeed. Same story. Jobs with visa sponsorship are listed every single day. Use keywords like visa sponsorships, foreign workers, relocation support. Can also check Glassdoor. This is great not just for jobs, but also for employee reviews, so you can see if the company is genuine. Seasonal Work International is also the next one, okay? This site lists seasonal agricultural and hospitality jobs across Europe, many of which include visa sponsorship and even free accommodation. The last one, of course, the list is massive, but for this video, I'll stop here. Goabroad.com. I love it because it's more focused on volunteer and cultural exchange program, but some of these also include work permits. And here is the golden nugget. Don't just search for visa sponsorship jobs. Search for your exact skill plus visa sponsorship. For example, if you're a nurse, you type nurse visa sponsorship UK. Then add your country, if it's UK, if it's Canada, if it's North America, add wherever you want to go, okay? Your job, visa sponsorship, your country, okay? Another example is if you're into IT, software developer, visa sponsorship Canada. That's how to search for it. Or chef, visa sponsorship Ireland. Truck driver, visa sponsorship Canada. Does that make sense to you? If you have gotten value in this video already, please give us a thumbs up, okay? Like, okay? Being specific gets you far better results, okay? So now, let's explore the industries where sponsorship is real and happening. The healthcare, obviously. This is the number one. Nurses, healthcare assistants, caregivers, and support workers are in demand everywhere, from the UK to Ireland to Canada to Australia, New Zealand, Germany. If you have experience caring for people, you have a real chance. The next most sought after one is technology. If you are in software engineering, cybersecurity, data analyst, or cloud computing, you are golden. Countries like Canada, Germany, and the Netherlands are practically begging for tech talent. Now let's dive into constructions and trades. Let's think about welders, electricians, plumbers, carpenters. These skills are gold abroad. Australia, for example, actively recruits tradespeople with sponsorship. Hospitality and tourism. We have the chefs, waiters, kitchen assistants, cleaners, and hotel staff. Many Irish and UK hotels sponsor staff, especially in rural areas. Now let's go down to logistics and driving. We have the truck drivers, delivery drivers, forklift operators. Canada has been actively recruiting drivers with visa sponsorship lately, okay? Education and childcare. Teachers and early childhood educators are needed in Canada and Australia. If you have a background in education, this might be your route, okay? Then we'll go on to seasonal and agricultural work. Fruit picking, farm jobs, greenhouse work. Perfect if you want a faster entry-level route abroad. Now imagine for a moment, which of these industries matches your skills? Which one excites you? Because once you know your lane, your job search becomes 10 times easier. But here is where most people trip up, the application itself. Let's talk about how to stand out. First, your CV. Yes, did you know that CV formats are different around the world? In the UK, CVs should be no more than 2 pages, focus on skills and work history. In the US, resumes are even shorter. In Germany, it's normal to include a professional photo. So take time to research the format for your target country. And remember, highlight transferable skills. Employers don't just care about titles, they care about what you can do. And if you're a member of my channel, especially the level 3, the Peace Elevators, I personally work with them one-on-one to create a CV template for their preferred role. Okay, so if you want to benefit from this, join my channel membership level 3. That is the Peace Elevators people only. Okay, every of my channel members, they have their own benefits. Okay, you can check for yourself the one that you want, from Peace Movers to Peace Elevators to Peace Explorers. Okay. Alright, second, it's your cover letter. This is where you directly say, I am willing to relocate and I am seeking visa sponsorship. Don't hide it. Let employers know upfront. Third, your LinkedIn profile. This is a silent CV that never sleeps. Recruiters search LinkedIn daily for candidates. Add open to relocation and visa sponsorship. So your profile headline or summary, make sure your photo is professional and your work history is complete. And here's a pro tip. Join LinkedIn groups related to your field in your target country. Engage with posts, comment thoughtfully, and connect with recruiters. Networking open doors applications can't, okay? If you want me to access your LinkedIn profile or rearrange your LinkedIn profile, let me know in the comment section. Note, this is not a free service. You have to pay for it, okay? If you want me to access your LinkedIn profile or create a standard one for you where you can use and also apply, let me know. Comment the word LinkedIn, okay? And I'll let you know the next step, all right? This is not a free service. There's a cost to it, okay? Now, let's tackle an important warnings. Scams. Where there's opportunity, there are also scammers waiting to take advantage. If a company asks you to pay for a job offer, it's fake. Genuine companies may cover your visa costs, but they will never ask you to send money for the job itself. Always check if the company is on a government official sponsor list before sending sensitive documents. And if an offer sounds too good to be true, like extremely high pay for no experience, it probably is. Protect yourself, protect your money, and always verify, okay? So what's your action plan after this video? Step 1, write this down. Choose your target country. Step 2, look at the government sponsored list for that country. Step 3, search on LinkedIn and Indeed using your profession plus visa sponsorship. Step 4, tailor your CV and cover letter to international standards. Step 5, apply consistently. Don't stop at 1 or 2 applications. The journey to relocation is never an easy one. There are competitors everywhere. Keep applying. Step 6, network on LinkedIn. Join relevant groups and talk to people in your field. And here's why you should take action immediately, because jobs get filled quickly. The sooner you apply, the better your chances. Now, before we close, let me tell you about something special for my community here. I've said it before, but I just want to recap again. I know so many of you need practical tools, real CV samples, real cover letter templates, real guidance, and that's why I created channel memberships. Here's how it works. Every membership level comes with its own benefits, and they are clearly written so you know exactly what you are getting. But for my level 3 members, the Peace Elevators, you actually get access to me personally. I'll share CV samples, cover letter templates, and help you polish your application so that when you apply for jobs, you are sending something employers notice. Of course, there are other levels have their own amazing benefits, and I don't want you confused, okay? Everything is clearly listed when you click the join button. So pick the level that works best for you. But if you know you need that extra push with your document, then level 3 is where you want to be. The link to join is right below in the description and the pinned comment. So let's wrap it up. Today, you've learned how visa sponsorship really works, where to find verified employers, the best job portals to use, the industries most likely to hire you, how to stand out with your CV, cover letter, and LinkedIn profile, how to protect yourself from scams. Now is your turn. Don't just watch, take actions. Go to one of the links I've left below, search for a role in your field, and send in an application today. Even one small step could be the start of a relocation journey. 6 months from now, you could be in a new country, working, earning, and building a life you've always dreamed of. And it all starts with the decision to apply smartly. If this video blessed you, please hit that like button so YouTube shows it to more people who need it. Subscribe if you haven't already, because on Peace Travels and Jobs, I keep bringing you real, verified opportunities, no fluff, no scams. Thank you for watching, thank you for believing in your dreams, and thank you for allowing me to be the part. Thank you for watching, thank you for believing in your dreams, and thank you for allowing me to be part of your journey. Until next time, stay blessed, stay focused, and never stop believing that opportunity is closer than you think. Remember, Jesus loves you and I love you too. Rooting for you always, and bye for now.